Hello dear students, welcome for the new video on NEET exam syllabus, marking scheme and paper pattern subject wise. NEET is the exam conducted by the National Testing Agency. The full form of NEET is National Eligibility Cum Entrance Test. According to this, the NEET exam is being conducted all over India on the same day. According to the Act of 2019, the NEET eligibility examination is for the undergraduate medical education in all the medical institutions. This exam is being conducted in 13 languages all over the India. The first set of information is by the application form online filling, and the second set of the information needs to be filled up the candidates before the declaration results, downloading the scorecards during the period that would be notified separately through the NEET portal in the course. The NEET exams are being taken up by the offline base, that is the pen paper mode base. And according to this, in NEET there are 180 multiple choice questions for physics, chemistry, biology. Let us see the detail of the examinations. Online submission of the application in the website will start from 13th of July up to 6th August 2021. The last date for the transaction will be 7th August 2021. Corrections will start from 8th August 2021 to 12th August, and the exam date is on 12th September 2021 on Sunday. Timing is of 3 hours. The duration of examination is of 3 hours. It will start from 2 pm to 5 pm IST. The paper mode will be on OMR sheet, the responses and the results will be declared on the website. The date of the result will be declared on the website. Even the center date as well as the examination schedule will be also displayed on your admit card, which you have to download from the website. So please remember the date, 13th July to 6th August is the date. Examination scheme is according to the NEET. The question paper will be based on the given syllabus which is available on the NMC website. Furthermore, the rationalize the decision of the reduction in syllabus by the various schools education board by NTA, that is National Testing Agency, has taken the decision to provide the choice in section B for each of the 4 type of subjects. This is the first time that they are giving choice for the NEET examinations. Let us see the new pattern. For the physics subject, the section A will have 35, section B will have 15 questions. For section B, out of 15 you have to select only 10 questions and 5 will you can remain it as an option. Each question is having 4 marks, so 35 into 4 is 140, and in section B for each subject it will be 10 into 4, that is 40 marks. Physics is of 180 marks, chemistry 180 marks, botany and zoo is also of 180 marks for botany and 180 marks for zoology. So overall there are 720 marks. The only difference in the new paper pattern is that in section B 15 questions are seen. Out of 15 you have to select only 10. It is written that section A will consist 35 questions and B with 15 questions. Out of this 15 question, candidate can choose to attempt any 10 question. So the total number of the question and utilization of time will remain same. So please notice this, that the MCQ is of the same type, only the section B is having some few basic changes. The paper pattern is as it is. For every correct answer 4 marks, for every negative answers, that is the wrong answers, will have 1 negative marking, that is 25% reduction. You know that if you don't attempt the question there will be no effect, that will not be calculated, that questions. So this is overall the new paper pattern. All the best students, those who are attempting for this year and also the further studies. Thank you for watching the videos. You can even contact me for the any of the guidance regarding the NEET classes, AIMS, JIP, MER, entrances of the pharmaceuticals industries and the basic entrance examination for all the universities which are related to the medical sciences. Thank you for watching the video. Have a nice day.